Welcome to the channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see an exercise in Excel, that is how to add an drop down list to the one particular cell. For example, here we are having a list of colors, okay, red, blue, green and violet, and the heading is colors, okay. How we can add the drop down list to this list of colors. First go to data tab. Validation is there. Go to validation and then settings will come. And then in allow, you just choose the list. Okay. There are two check mark is there. Okay. Just select it, ignore blank and in cell drop down. And here you have to select the source actually. Now see that button has got added. This is the way you have to add the drop down list. How can we clear this list? Just press clear all. Then it will automatically clear the drop down list. That's it. That button has gone now. This is the way you have to add the drop down list and delete the drop down list. Thanks. Bye.